All right, let's look at example 223. Solve this equation and find all the solutions that lie between 0 and 2 pi. All right, so I'm going to isolate the cosine. So we get cosine of, and I'm going to go ahead and call this theta, is minus root 2 over 2. And so solving this, if cosine is root 2 over 2, that's going to give us a reference angle of pi over 4. And we want cosine to be negative, so that's going to be these two quadrants. So what I've got here is this angle and this angle. All right, so that's 3 pi over 4 and 5 pi over 4. So my solutions here are theta is 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n, and theta is 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. All right, now we've got to replace, I didn't write it down over here, but theta is equal to this 3x plus pi over 8. So I'm going to, for both of these, I'm going to replace the theta with 3x plus pi over 8. So that equals 3 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n, and 3x plus pi over 8 is equal to 5 pi over 4 plus 2 pi n. So I've got to solve both of these. All right, so the first thing to do over here is subtract pi over 8 off of both sides. So that leaves me with 3x on this side. And let's see, 3 pi over 4. That's 6 pi over 8 minus pi over 8 is 5 pi over 8 plus 2 pi n. And over here I get 3x is equal to, let's see, this is 5 pi over 4, so that's 10 pi over 8. When I take pi over 8 off of it, I've got 9 pi over 8 plus 2 pi n. And now, to solve for x, we just want to divide everything by 3. So my general solutions are x equals, let's see, this is going to be 5 pi over 24 plus 2 pi over 3n, and on the end there. And this one is going to give me x equals, let's see, I can cancel the 9 and the 3, so that leaves me with 3 pi over 8 plus 2 pi over 3 times n. So that's my general solution. I'll put a cloud around it. That's my general solution. But now we want to list all of the solutions that lie between 0 and 2 pi. And I'm kind of out of space here. Maybe I can fit them in here. If not, I'll make it work. All right, so this first one over here, I'll do it in purple. We're going to start with 5 pi over 24. And we're going to add 2 pi over 3 onto it. But again, I'm not going to put the pi on my calculator. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with 5 over 24. So put that in there. And then I'm going to add 2/3 onto it. And you know, this is going to be my coefficient that goes on my the pi. So we get 7/8, 37 over 24, 53 over 24. That's bigger than 2. So we only want our coefficients, we want them to be less than 2. So the only solutions we get are the 5 pi over 24, 7 pi over 8, 37 pi over 24. Let's write those down. And then we also want to do these over here, where we'll do the same thing. We've got 3 pi over 8, 3/8. Then we're going to add 2/3 onto it repeatedly. When I do that, adding 2/3 onto it once, I get 25 pi over 24. Again, gives me 41 pi over 24. And again, gives me 19 pi over 8. And again, that is a solution, but it's bigger than 2 pi. So we're not going to include it in our answer. So those are our 6 solutions. And that's pretty much all there is to solving this. I do want to look at it on Desmos, though, just to see the solutions here. Let's see. So my equation that we started with was 2 cosine 3x plus 8. Oh wait, plus pi over 8. And I've got that restricted to 0 to, well, I didn't mean to do that. There we go, from 0 to 2 pi. And let's see, what's that equal to? It's equal to square root of 2, or a negative square root of 2. So those are the solutions that we should have gotten. How many did we get here? We got, let's see, 5 pi over 24. We got a total of 6 solutions, and that's the number that we've got here. And they should match up. Yeah, 5 pi over 24, 7 pi over 8, or well, 3 pi over 8, then 7 pi over 8, then 25 pi over 24, 37 pi over 24, and then 41 pi over 24. So that's how we solve that, and also how we check it. So let's see, we'll do tangent equations in the next video.